Hi, this is Stefan from Octomind. This time I'm going to show you the different ways how you can run your tests. So for this, I set up a simple project with just one test to make it fast, and even the test is very simple. Just goes onto a PHP web page and checks for the PHP version like this. So how can you run this? So simplest way is to get a test report just to say run all active. This will just create a test run for this one test case and create a test result and report that is shown up here on this page. So we just wait for a minute and then we will see the test run complete. And of course, it will produce a similar result as we already saw in the test case view. And then we're going to explore the different ways of how we can do this in addition. So here it is, quickly looking at it. Yeah, it looks nice, everything as expected. Second way to do this is very similar, basically same, but only with a different URL. So you could provide a different URL to run the test against. So this time maybe I'm using still Octomind me, but maybe I add a query parameter. So like foo equals bar. In this case, this doesn't make any difference, but there could be another page that maybe also displays the PHP version that could be addressed via run it with a different URL. So this was second possibility. You can do that. We will see this test passing also in a minute. Third way that you can do it is by calling an API endpoint. API endpoints are documented in our documentations page. And so when you look at API reference, there's of course also one execute test cases. There's different ways to do that via curl, for instance, and this is what I'm going to show you. So when I click on start via terminal, I get already the already rendered curl command, copy that to a clipboard. But as you can see, we need an API key here. So I'm still going to copy to clipboard, then paste it already in my terminal, but I need to create an API key in addition. So I open the settings, go for create API key, and then create an API key for this. Copy the API key over, then go ahead in the terminal and put the API key in here and run that command. So the command returns immediately with the result in your test report that is about to be created, also returns the URL. And what we will see when going to test reports, we will see a new test report showing up here in a minute. It will again do the very same thing basically, but triggered via an API endpoint. So there's a third way of doing this. Now it's already finished. And this is different in this case because it's not executed on our platform, but locally. So this is how I can do this one. So I again call this command, get it already rendered command, copy it to the clipboard, pasting it into my terminal. It's a more lengthy token, but doesn't matter. And then it will be executed locally. So what does this mean? Execution will take place on my computer, actually. So the playwright test runner opens, and I can execute the test over here by just clicking play. Then a real browser opens that also renders the PHP page, and the check succeeds. And this is basically, again, all that is needed here. The difference is it was executed locally, so you could also change the URL, make it point to your dev instance maybe, and this way you could also set breakpoints, all kind of additional code that you want to may use to debug the application. So these are the 4 ways to run tests created by Octomind. Thanks for watching.